Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, and today I am here to talk about the political issues that are happening in Kashmir. Yesterday I was just sitting and watching the news with my father, and I suddenly saw a clip of a child lying on his grandfather's corpse. When I heard that he was killed by the Indian army, I was really sad from the deep, and I was really angry at India. So what have they done? I'm not just talking about India. There are so many other countries there are no human rights in there. We can take examples of Yemen and Israel and other many countries. If we go to the human rights, that can we take dignity, fairness, equality and respect. But there is nothing in Kashmir that are happening. We can take an example of a few weeks ago when George Floyd, a black man, rest in peace, was killed by the American army military. When he was killed, the thing that reached the top trending on the world was that hashtag Black Lives Matter. But these days, if we see that Kashmiri who are under community of India and the terrorism that are doing on them under for at least 60 years, and now the curfew is gonna be about 1 year that have they put. Nobody is talking about Kashmir. What have they done? Nobody is saying that hashtag Kashmiri Lives Matter. What they did? Now, if we move back to the topic, the boy whose grandfather was killed in front of him, what will be his? If I ask Modi, if some family member was killed in front of him so brutally, what will be his reactions? If we say that China puts a curfew like this on New Delhi or Mumbai, what will happen to India? If I like to ask the Islamic countries, 45 to 50 of them, why are they like hidden like a frightened cat? Why once can't they be a lion to say to the world that what is happening to them? Before 1947, there were many independent states, but Kashmir was one of them. The ruler over there was an Indian. So when they were asked, before 1947, they were asked that where they will want to go. They want to live with Pakistan or India, and they chose India because the ruler was an Indian. After that, in 1948, there was a huge war between Pakistan and India that who will take Kashmir. At that time, the Prime Minister of India, Nehru, went to the UN and said that he wants to stop the fight. And they went to India and Pakistan will do it between each other. So it happened like this. Kashmir will choose they want to live with India or Pakistan, or they want to go and be an independent country. And now it's been over 70 years and they have not given us it. Where is the world community? I want to ask. Are there no one living in Kashmir? Are there no rights there? And now this is time to take action, and we have to move further than the tags or the trends that are coming. अगर हम टैग से आगे जाएं तो हम देखें कि हम लोग सिर्फ बातों से नहीं कश्मीर की आज़ादी ले सकते, और भी बहुत चीज़ें कर सकते हैं हम लोग. लेकिन अगर हम बातें करेंगे, दैट्स द वीकेस्ट वे हाउ टू टेक समथिंग. अगर हम देखें तो इंडिया और चाइना अभी एक बॉर्डर पर मसरूफ़ हैं. हमारे पास चांस है. अब हमें चाहिए कि हम पाकिस्तानी अवाम को जगाएं, हम इस्लामिक जो जितने कंट्रीज़ हैं उनको जगाएं, और उसके बाद सारी दुनिया को उठाएं. Now I would like to say that we have a very, very strong force and army, and a very brave one, and we can be a very good nation too. And last but not the least, I would like to say that if you conspire something from your heart, then the whole world will try to say you to reach till it. जब तक हम दिल से नहीं चाहेंगे तब तक हम कश्मीर को आज़ाद नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगले और 70 साल या 60 साल हम वहीं पे बैठे रहेंगे कि इंडिया के नारे लगाते रहेंगे कि भाई कश्मीर दे दें हमें. I would like to thank Taawun Foundation, and inshallah we'll meet again in some other lecture. Thank you.